Welcome to the project demonstration of emergency braking system using Arduino and ultrasonic sensor. So here the main application and features of this project is the application is whenever we are driving a vehicle, so if any obstacle detects, automatically we need to stop that. So that will be applied when we are designing a automatic vehicle, means unmanned vehicle. Then the first feature for unmanned vehicle is when it's itself driving by own, then the system has to detect the objects. Then it has to stop by automatically, means when we are running automatic vehicle, then in order to avoid the accidents, then we need to detect the objects. For that we need to use a sensor. So the sensor is SR0 for ultrasonic sensor, and the features of the project is using ultrasonic sensor based on the echo signal. So as we know that radar model, so it has two things, one is a transmitter, another is a receiver. So when the transmitter emits ultrasonic waves, then if any object presents in front of that, then a so-called object will reflect those transmitted rays, and this receiver will receive the reflected ultrasonic waves. So once we transmit the signal, the system will capture the time, and once we receive the reflected signals, then it will stop the timer. So we know the time and we know the speed of the sound. So by multiplying that two, we can get the distance. So then we are going to estimate the object distance, nothing but obstacle distance, right? So then in the microcontroller, that's we are using Arduino UNO, which is continuously measure the so-called distance. If the distance is less than 30 centimeters, then it will consider as an obstacle is there near to the vehicle. Then we need to apply the brake to that. So to apply the brake, we are making use of this L298 motor driver, which is used to control these 4 DC motors. As we are using the 4-wheel drive, so there we place the 4 DC motors movement of this vehicle, and also at the same time the system will provide us the audible alert as the obstacle present in front of this robotic vehicle. So all this system get a power supply from this 12 volt 1 amp rechargeable battery pack. So this battery pack consists of 3 4 volt 1 amp batteries, so which will provide us the 12 volt 1 amp DC output, and which is rechargeable battery. So in order to recharge this, we are provided this charging circuit. So before demonstration, so we need to keep the battery under charging. Just connect the battery at this slot, and on the power supply to this transformer. So the transformer will step down the 230 volts AC to 12 volts of AC and provide us the 12 volts AC input to this regulated power supply board, so which will acting as a charging circuit. So on this we can see the 4 diodes which will act as a bridge rectifier, and which will convert AC to pulsating DC, and this filter remove the pulses and provide us the constant 12 volts DC, and these 2 diodes which will act as a unidirectional current flow. Whenever the battery is fully charged, then these 2 diodes will block the current flow from the battery to the transformer in order to protect the reverse currents. So that's why we are using 2 diodes which will act as a unidirectional current flow. And so once the battery will get fully charged, it will take around 4 to 5 hours. Till the duration, you should keep the battery under charging. And in between, if its battery get full charged, this charge circuit will block the current flow to the battery to protect that from overcharging. So that's, now let us see the demonstration. And coming to the interfacing connections, we have interfaced this ultrasonic sensor at pin number 8 and 9 of UNO board, and next 4, 5, 6, 7 to this L298 motor driver, and buzzer pin at pin number 13th pin. So let us check with the demonstration. Right, so now let us see. So this is the on off switch for this. So I'm in front of this robot, then it will stop automatically and provide us the buzzer. Right, okay. So when we are demonstrating this for obstacle detection, the surface of the object should be flat enough. Now let us see this. Just on this. Right. So in this manner, the system will detect the objects.